5 high-potential metaverse gems to look for in 2022. As you may be aware, since Facebook's renaming to Meta, the prices of a number of metaverse coins have skyrocketed, with the top 3 being Axie Infinity, Decentraland, Mana, and Sandbox, Sand. These coins have grown in popularity, but in today's video, we'll unveil 5 of the best metaverse coins that can surge like them in 2022. So stay tuned until the end to find out everything about them. But before we get in, I would like to welcome you guys back in another video of our YouTube channel TechHUB, where you will be always getting your daily dose of crypto news and entertainment. It is also important to note that I'm not a financial advisor, and everything in this video is not financial advice. So, without further delay, let's begin the video with our first coin, which is StarLink. StarLink is a completely decentralized initiative that is being driven by the community. Leash deployer launched $L by mistake. Then he converted it into a community-owned initiative. No developer tokens are available, and the first liquidity has been burned, meaning no one may withdraw funds or sell pre-mined tokens. Safu, in a literal sense. StarLink is also the first decentralized virtual space development project, as well as the first community-owned and operated initiative managed by the DAO. $L is the StarLink ecosystem's governance token. If you're still confused, then let us explain. In simpler words, that StarLink Station is a virtual world, also known as the Metaverse, that will exist as a space to host data and ideas within the blockchain using $Star tokens as its native currency, and further, as well as creating new visual and audio adaptations to NFT as representations of real-world space and concepts tied to VR within the existing framework. In addition, it serves as a marketing, entertainment, gamification, and education center. Moving on to our number 4th metaverse coin, which we believe is going to explode in 2022, is Cube. Somnium Space, or Cube, is actually a game currency that is built on the ETHEREUM blockchain, RenderToken. The Cubes are a vital addition to the blockchain-based economy, as they allow for in-game player transactions. Somnium Space can be used to purchase or rent land, as well as making game purchases like teleportation, which is obviously what we need in the metaverse world. So we believe this coin has a lot of potentials, and if you look at the price chart of Cube, you will see that in the last 1 year, it's gone 6,500% up. And many of you don't even know the name of this coin, and I believe there is someone working secretly on it, so get in before it's late. Now let's get back to the topic to reveal the 3rd coin, which is going to explode in near future. So the coin name is RenderToken. Yes, this is one of the coin which we have mentioned in previous video, but this coin has a lot of potential and directly linked to Metaverse too. So starting with the introduction, RenderToken. RNDR is a distributed GPU rendering network created on the ETHEREUM blockchain, but has shifted now on Solana with the goal of connecting artists and studios in need of GPU computing capacity with mining partners willing to rent out their GPU capabilities. Prior to payment dispersal and art release, RNDR uses a mixed manual and automatic proof of work mechanism, or in this case, proof of render, to ensure that all art has been correctly rendered. Proprietary assets are hashed upon upload and transmitted to nodes piecemeal for rendering, utilizing the Solana blockchain's inherent security features. Now you should know that why we are bullish about this coin. As you can see, this coin has quite a lot of use cases and a great team too. And that's not it. Render has also gone 1100% up since last year and is still showing some bullish pattern. Now is the time to learn about the second most potential coin on our list, which is Metahero. Metahero is a 3D scanning and modeling company that creates ultra-realistic 3D avatars and virtual objects for usage in games, virtual reality, social media, and online fashion. NFT can also be made from real-world artwork and collectibles using this technology. Metahero has also worked with Wolf Studio, the world leader in 3D scanning. Big industry names have tried and employed their cutting-edge technology. Most recently, CD Projekt produced characters for their hot new release, Cyberpunk 2077. Now you must be wondering why Metahero is so special. It's because there are a lot of crypto projects that focus on NFT and gaming, but only a few add 3D scanning to the mix, and Metahero is one of them. The question of what it would be like to inject yourself into the internet is answered by Metahero. The Metahero team is wagering that the future will be less about flying automobiles and more about identifying synergies between developing technologies through bridging the physical and digital worlds. Metahero intends to develop something altogether new by combining AR, VR, cloud servers, blockchain, and Super HD scanning. As a result, we believe that once the project achieves its pinnacle, Metahero will serve as a vital link between the digital and real worlds. And now is the time to reveal the coin which we believe has the most potential and will compete with Mana, Axe, and Sand very soon. And the name of that coin is Aavegotchi, or you can simply say GHST. Aavegotchi GHST is a non-fungible token, NFT based on the Aave protocol that focuses on DeFi. Aavegotchis, to put it simply, are game avatars that can be used as DeFi collateral to gain staking incentives. The coins, like CryptoKitties, have distinguishing characteristics such as body color and personality. The tokens can be liquidated at any time because they are a staked asset. Unfortunately, liquidating your NFT will result in the loss of your gotchi, because they fall off, which means ghost in Finnish. The characters have a pixelated ghost appearance. The token ticker also spells out ghost minus the vowel in a novel way. The team behind GHST is one of the reasons why we feel it will surpass, or at least compete with Mana and Sand. This DeFi project is managed by a group with extensive experience in a variety of industries. Its pseudonym is Chief Executive Officer and co-founder Coder Dan. So that's the end of the video, but still, if you have any questions about any of these coins, so as I always say, do mention it below in the comment box, and also let us know which lucky Metaverse coin you're going to pick. Now, if you have found the content helpful, then don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and do subscribe to our channel for weekly content like this. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video of TechHUB. Until then, goodbye.